Hello everyone. An expert advisor bot makes trading easier. It can automatically start and close trades according to the strategy that you program in it. In next 1 minute, you will be able to write your first expert advisor bot. After our few lectures, you will be able to write your own sophisticated expert advisor. You can then sell them on MQL website and earn thousands of dollars. Okay, this is our MT5 terminal. Hit F4 key or click here to open the language editor. In the language editor, click New. Expert Advisor Template. Write its name, My First EA. Next, Finish. Our file is open now with name My First EA with extension MQ5. Just go to void on tick. Here we write. Comment. Hello world. This statement will run whenever a new tick on chart is received. Now compile it. No errors here, so our EA is complete. To run it on your trading terminal, again hit F4. Under Expert Advisors, you can see your EA with name My First EA. Just drag and drop it on your chart. Click OK. You can see at top right corner that our EA has started running on that chart. Here it is displaying the output. To remove it from chart, right-click, Expert Advisors, and remove. Similarly, you can write MQL4 code like this and run it on MT4 Terminal. In today's lecture, our code is 100% same for both MQL4 and MQL5 programming languages. Both of these languages are similar. When there will be minor difference, I will mention in my future tutorials. Everything is simple. Subscribe my channel if you want to learn making Forex trading bots. See you in next tutorial.